So question 15, complete the table of values for y equals x squared minus 2x minus 1. So I've got four numbers to put in, first of all to collect 2 marks. Now I'll write out one example and then I'll do the rest sort of automatically in my head. But we've got to do minus 1 squared minus 2 times minus 1 minus 1. So that's going to give me 1. Any negative squared is positive. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2, and then minus 1. And so that comes to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 take 1 is 2, and that's my first point, 2. If we now put the naught in, I'll just talk you through it. We get naught squared minus 2 noughts. Well, naught squared minus 2 noughts is nothing. Minus 1, so that gives me a minus 1. And you can see there's going to be some symmetry in these numbers, which I'll point out in a moment, but we'll put the 3 through next. In fact, I'll just show you the 3. I'll go back on what I said. The 3 will go 3 squared minus 2 times, 2 times 3 minus 1. That's 9 minus 6 minus 1, and 9 minus 6 is 6, and 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is 2. Put the 2 in there, and then finally putting the 4 through, we get 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 1, so that's 16, take 8, take 1, which comes to 7. And you can see that there's sort of symmetry going through the point of minus 2. So let's mark those points in next for part 2. Now you can see I've plotted all of the coordinates, so just to show you a couple. Minus 2, 7, so minus 2, 7. Minus 1, 2, so minus 1, 2. And sometimes I see students that just leave the answer like that, but if you're going to draw a graph, you must draw the points, draw a line through all of your coordinates. So the graph then will look like this, and so I've now drawn the graph. Now finally, it asks me to solve the equation x minus 2, x minus 1 equals x plus 3. So to do this using the graph, I need to draw in the line x plus 3. Now x plus 3 is y equals x plus 3, so that's in the form y equals mx plus c. The c is the intercept, so I'll mark that in there, the 3, and the gradient is 1, right, so the gradient is 1, so for 1 across, now you have to be careful here, for 1 across go 1 up, the scales are different, so that's 1 across on the x-axis and 1 up on the y. I'll plot a few more points, and I need to draw a straight line through there. And then to solve the equation, I now read off the points where they cross. So I appear to have minus 1, 2 as a point of intersection, and probably it's there. I've done this freehand, so it looks like 4, 7, 4, 7. So we write the solutions then. I'll take the first one when x equals minus 1, y equals 2, and when x equals 4, y equals 7. And those are the solutions to the equation. So in fact, the x values are all that we required, so the solutions are x equals minus 1 and x equals 4.